So we have this loofah vine growing, and it is on this tree, which is, really, really tall. And I couldn't cut all the loofah gourds, and look at them now. They have grown so big. So now I'm going to just make loofah sponges from them, which is good because last year I tried to make one and it didn't come out that well. So this year I'll keep an eye, or let it dry on the vine, and when it is completely dry, then I'll pick it and peel it. It's already fall, almost winters, and we are still getting our gourds, and a couple of them actually dried up. So last time when I had tried to make a loofah, it didn't come out very nicely, but it seems like because it rained early, so the loofahs were spoiled. This time it has dried very nicely on the vine, so let's see. So far so good. Looks pretty good, clean, because it hasn't rained. I think that's the thing. Last time it had rained, and that's why the loofah was dark in color. It is still a little wet. Wow, it came out very nicely. It is about like 15 inches long loofah. And let's see the seeds. Yep, lot of seeds. There are still some more stuck. They'll come. I think this time even the seeds are bigger. Maybe because the loofah size was bigger. And of course, all these seeds I'm going to use next summer to grow more loofah gourds. I would think that bigger seed size means they are healthier. I mean, there are more, like you can see here, there are more, but most of it has come out. So I'm sure this one will also. Here the seeds are already falling out. And this one also looks clean, and it comes out easily. Last time I had difficulty in removing the cover. Okay, so there is one patch here which is bad, meaning it's discolored, and the rest of the loofah looks very good. So basically the trick is that you leave a few gourds on the vine, let them grow big. Like normally I pick them at this size, because then like this one is it has developed seeds and it's not good for eating. So normally for eating I pick them up at this size and this thickness, but a few of them I left on the vine, and look at this, how it's so big as compared to this one. So the trick is to leave some of them on the vine, let them dry completely, and then pick them. And here, we have our loofah gourds. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.